Welcome to our class. I've prepared this video as a quick introduction to our Canvas classroom. There is a Canvas orientation video which I recommend you watch. It is more about the total program. The video you are currently watching is intended to give you an orientation to our specific classroom. When you log into Canvas, you will need to choose our class in the Courses tab. Once you are at our classroom, you will see the class title and know that you are in the right place. I made this video for all of my classes, so your class may look a little different, but you should always see the same graphic and title of your class when you log in. The main content for our class will be located in the Modules section. You'll notice there's a Start Here First module right at the top. This provides you with all kinds of information you will need to get started. There's some information about me, your instructor, a place for you to send me an email, our syllabus, which is also available in the left sidebar, and some course policies. Please read through each of these policies. You will be held accountable for them whether you read them or not, so I highly recommend you know what you signed up for. Below the Start Here First module are weekly modules that will give you information about each week of our course. There will be a weekly lesson plan with objectives and a to-do list, a lecture, discussion forums, and assignments. Sometimes I come across something related to our topic. Basically, view, read, or complete everything that is in the module, even if I forgot to mention it in the lesson plan, unless I start with the word optional. Back to the left sidebar, you'll see there's a discussions link. This is where you will go to answer the weekly discussion question. You can also answer it from the forum. In this forum, you will see that I can put in an answer to a question by hitting the reply button. I have to post by Friday at midnight, and on the weekend, I'll come back and reply to my classmates. I think the trickiest thing is to make sure your initial responses, the one that requires at least 250 words and a quote from the text, is a reply to my initial post. Then be sure all the other ones, the replies to your classmates, are replies to their specific response. It might seem a bit confusing, but you'll quickly get the hang of it. Back to the left sidebar, we have an assignments tab, but the assignments are also listed in the modules as well. You can view assignments about 1 month before their due date, but all of the descriptions are available in the syllabus as well. In most classes, there is only the introduction quiz. If you check the syllabus, you can confirm. Here's a link to the syllabus and to your grades. There will be a numerical value as well as little comments if I noted anything, and I usually do, especially at the beginning of the semester, so you get an understanding of how you can improve your posts if necessary. I think Canvas is a great program. I really like the way everything is easily accessible from the modules area. Please contact me if you have any additional questions about the classroom or course content. That's why I'm here. Looking forward to a great semester.